Bam! And just like that, welcome back everybody. Happy 2025 to the new year to you guys. My name is Sensei Carlos and welcome back to another video. Today, we got a bunch of car stuff we're gonna do. I got a couple things for Christmas. I got a new GoPro suction mount. I got this. I don't know if you can tell what this is, but if you do know what this is, that's part of today's build. But I wanted to give you guys a little 2025 normal vlog video, just a day in the life of what it's like to drive and own an Evo. And without any further delay, let's go for a drive, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stick around because I got something special for you at the end. All right, guys, let's go. Oh, I forgot to mention the car. Cold start for you boys. 2025, first cold start. Boom, let's get it. Going for a quick drive. I need to go wash the car for sure, so you guys join me on that little bit. And then I need to go to Lowe's because I need some painter's tape for the little project we're going to do here in a quick second that you guys are going to see. But I just want to tell you guys, you know, I'm thankful that we got through 2024. There was a lot of big things in my life that happened. I hope there was a lot of big things in your life that happened, but it's a new year, so that means new goals. So what I want you guys to do with me, and I'm gonna make a couple of mine public here for you guys so that you guys can help keep me accountable, right? I'm gonna make 3 goals. 1, a short-term goal. First quarter, March of spring break, I want you to be able to accomplish your short-term goal. 6 months, by June, summertime, June, July-ish, I want you to be able to accomplish your midterm goal. And then I want that long-term goal. I want something that by the end of this year of 2025, you've accomplished this thing. One of my short-term goals is I want to be ready to compete in March. We're starting a new season, which I'm excited to bring to you guys, a new series. We're following a new organization here in Colorado for sport karate. It's actually called Sport Karate West. I got motivated having a lot of new students jumping in to do a fresh competition season, and even my seasoned students to do a new circuit. And I'm excited because it's something new, it's fresh, and it actually motivated me to want to train. By March, to be athletically fit enough, you know, my muscle strength, my endurance, my flips, my skills, which I'm gonna be documenting all of this. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for my training journey. My midterm goal by summer is to have the Evo ready to go with a couple extra things that I would want. New wheels and tires for a summer setup so that when I hit the track, oh my gosh, the track is gonna be the thing that I'm so excited about because last year, 2024, I didn't do any track days. So that is something in 2025 we're definitely gonna do, no exceptions. And then my long-term goal, man, that one's a hard one. I'm gonna have to maybe come back to that one, but I think maybe looking for a dojo, building a business, something of that sort. I've always dreamt of having my $1 million dojo. That's the business that I run. If you guys are new to the channel and you don't already know, I'm first and foremost a martial arts instructor. That's what I do for a living. I've been doing it my entire life, which is going on 30 years. I just turned 34 in November, and it's just, there's a lot of stuff going on. But we're pulling up to the car wash, so let's get this car cleaned. Enjoy some B-roll, everybody. so good to have a clean car. Let's get on the road. We got another stop to go. Got what I need. Maybe you can guess. I don't know. We'll see. Cool. So some brown paper so I can cover things, and some green painter's tape. We'll see if you guys can figure out what I'm doing yet. If you can, at this point in the video, mark the time. Comment down below what you think I'm going to be painting. I don't know if you'll guess it. You might, if you're paying attention to the beginning of the video, you might get it. And also, how do you guys like my Colorado Boost Weather shirt? And if you're wondering where you can pick one of those up, you can't, because your boy made this. But if you guys want to be able to pick one up, comment down below. Let me know if you guys would like a Boost Weather shirt as my own design. I was really happy the way it came out. I actually gifted my brother-in-law one because he's a big car guy, but he's more into like the trucks and diesels and stuff like that. But we're just gonna head back to the house and we're gonna get started on our project. But before we do that, we need to go for a little drive and give you guys some day in the life of driving an Evo, right? Now that was epic, now that was fun, that was really cool, and I love the GoPro and all those different mounting points, the back, the front on the hood. Hopefully that came out really good on those, yeah. Let's see if you guys can figure out what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go ahead and do something right here. You see that? You see how it's gray and ugly? That might be exactly what we have planned right here. This right here, super janky. If I pull this off, look at how gross that is. This is old janky. This is the original OEM one. So we're gonna get rid of this and replace this. So we're gonna take this whole thing out, this little part out, so I can access the 2 bolts down there. There's 1 bolt there, and then it just clips on the both sides. Take that out. Probably put the GoPro right here on the window so you guys can see. Let's pull this out and let's get started, boys. Just like that, hours later, letting paint dry, taking everything out, being meticulous about cleaning. I cleaned that entire center console, and man, I can tell that it hasn't been cleaned in like 20 years because it was gross. I'd spill coffee down there, root beer, all kinds of stuff. So I'm super happy to have that thing cleaned, and boy, does it look so good. Boys, if you want to change that on your car, it is super easy. But in Evo, there's 2 bolts on the center console where you lift up on that center tray. Take that out, super simple. Then there's 3 bolts. Everything is just kind of like clips. You can see exactly how easy it is. If you guys want me to do another full tutorial on that, I'll disassemble it again and show you guys easy how it is to do it. I just super glued that thing on there. That's how it is from the factory. Don't make it super complicated. But you guys, it's a great start to 2025. Putting in that shift boot, it looks so good. It's like a 2-toned black. It's kind of like this wrinkle black with like a gloss black. And I wasn't trying to make it perfect because it wasn't perfect to begin with. This car isn't perfect to begin with. And that's okay because I daily drive this Evo. And that was the title of this thumbnail, is daily driving a 2006 Lancer Evolution 9. That's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, I appreciate you guys. But do me a favor, comment down below what you guys want to see later on this year. And don't forget to hit those 3 goals. Your short term, which is first quarter, second goal, which is second quarter, and then your third goal, which is the long term, which is at the end of 2025. Do me a favor, you guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe, because the next video that I show you guys, it might just be another lanyard self-defense video or a karate video or me training, because like I said, that is something that I am aspiring to do, and that is my short-term goal, which is to be ready for the first competition coming March. I am so excited. Peace out, boys. I'll see you guys later. Now that was fun. That was really cool. I really loved the GoPro on all those different